Here we are at 4805 Sawmill Road. This is the center of the lot. It's 5 acres. You can see it's very heavily treed. Tall cedar trees, junipers, and pines are all on this lot. It's the beginning of August 2nd today. And it's a cool 70 degrees right now, midday. You can see how tall these trees are. Just a beautiful area, very secluded. You can see the terrain is fairly level. And you can see there's power lines right here that run adjacent to the property. We're very close to Show Low, Heber, Pinedale. It's kind of in the center of those cities. It's very secluded. Right now we're walking towards the little road that you use to access it. See how big these trees are. So this is the little road here, Sawmill. And you can see not many neighbors. That up there is the old 260 highway. It's paved over to Clay Springs and then to Taylor, to Show Low, Heber. So it's pretty close off the pavement. This is the view, the side of the lot. It does get snow here in the winter time. This is like a perfect place to escape the heat during the summer though. You feel like you're in the forest when you're here. The north side of the property, you can see up here, is boundaried by the neighbor's fence. You can see one of the posts there, the fence runs along this way. Obviously there's no HOA here, so you have your freedom to do what you would like with your land. The neighbor's home there. You can see the corner. That's a single wide mobile home that they have. And there are some young pines that are growing here on this lot. So in the coming years, they'll be large. Lakes are very close by. There are a few towards Heber. There are, I believe, 3 in Show Low, lakeside area. And as you get further south, there's plenty. We're just a short, maybe 15 minutes or so to Show Low. And Show Low has tons of restaurants and all the conveniences of modern living. So, but out here it's very secluded. Cabins could be built here, or mobile homes or trailers could be dropped here as a getaway spot. And so it's whatever you would like to do with this property. 5 acres of freedom. And that's 4805 Sawmill Road.